We're going to Arashiyama today and it's exactly 8 o'clock. We're trying to catch romantic train tickets. It's at 9.
I have like suitcase and I'm like walking like this. And I'm like, I look awful. So I'm consciously trying to like...
Yeah, you should.
I look so much better with the straight back.
Of course, everyone does.
Yeah.
And Charlotte, baby, sleep well last night. Saga Torokko station. Wow. Tons of people already. That's why you should book a ticket online because it's crazy many people. Thankfully, we got tickets on the internet and we don't have to wait in that crazy line. First time facing forward, Charlotte. This is the one we didn't get the tickets because it's all full. And we are this one. They're standing and it's so cute. Wow. A and B.
Can you take our tickets?
Yeah. It's so pretty. I bought a icicle. It's so pretty. It has 7 fruits in there. We're taking a little pumping break. Not bad.
Oh, hold on. This is a good picture.
After taking the train, the romantic train, we're going to take the JR back. From that station to the JR station is around like a 7 minutes walk. And the view is stunning.
Thanks.
But not much to see around here, so that's the station you're looking for if you want to take the JR back. The sky is perfect today. So beautiful. We're here. How many people on the street? We decided to ditch lunch and just come to this temple. Hey. Starting to get red, but not so much.
Organization.
Do you want red bean? Sweet condensed milk?
Muscat and red bean.
Do you want one?
Yeah.
Which one do you want? Why do you eat the strawberry first?
What's wrong with that?
I had this divided evenly.
Says who?
Me. Good?
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Yeah. We got in. Charlotte is sleeping on here. Perfect. This person's getting udon noodle with beef. Where's the one I wanted? This one. Udon noodle, braided yam, and onsen egg. Wow. And I don't know what this is. The pickle something and tofu.
Yeah.
Got full rice, just beef without yam and egg.
It's so good. It's probably the best I've had.
Udon.
It's so good, yeah.
The yam thing, I don't know how to work. You can just stir it
Oh
up.
my gosh.
Wow. It's so good, yeah. Wow. The yen I have, after I stir it, it's kind of like breaks apart, but it makes the soup so silky. If you like silky, having yam will be really good. Tofu. I bet this is ginger, yeah. Looks like douhua. Very thick. You can tell it's kind of like homemade. That's crazy. Wow.
This is Coke inside.
아니면 여기 거를 조금 사.
Too many people. She came up here a little bit further. Still have people, but a lot less. When I take that back, it's a lot of people, so just don't expect anything good. We're going to Monkey Park, and the bridge leads to this view. So pretty. Hopefully monkey don't steal our baby. Monkey. Go up to this stairs. 20 minutes walk uphill. So we're like done. Hello, can I have a strawberry creme brulee? Yes.